In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in Zoho CRM, a handy feature that can save you loads of time by customizing bulk communications to your contacts with just a few clicks. Let's get started by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Leads section. This is where you keep track of all your potential clients, so having tailored communication here is crucial. Now, once you're in the Leads section, you'll need to select a specific lead that you'd like to focus on. There's usually a list of your leads, so choose the one that you want to execute a mail merge with. After selecting the lead, you'll want to locate the Actions button, which is typically towards the top of the page. Clicking on Actions will reveal a drop-down menu brimming with options that you can utilize for your chosen lead. From this drop-down list, find and click on Mail Merge. Initiating a mail merge through Zoho CRM is an efficient strategy to ensure your communication suits each recipient personally by autofilling specific details unique to each one. After selecting Mail Merge, you'll be prompted to choose if you want to use an existing template or create a new one. For today, I'll guide you through creating a new template from scratch. Next, click on New Template. This will open an interface where you can design your template. Here, you'll need to give your template a name. Make it something descriptive so you can easily identify it in the future. Once you've typed in your template name, hit Create. This step officially saves the template to your library, allowing it to be used multiple times. After creating the template, you'll be moved into the template configuration mode. This is the place to let your creativity shine while making sure your communications still stay on message. You'll want to configure your template by inserting the necessary fields. Zoho provides a selection of fields you can choose from, like first name, last name, or any custom fields you might have set up in your CRM. Simply drop these fields into the template exactly where you want this information to appear. This action ensures that when you send the communication, those fields are auto-filled with the data relevant to each specific lead. Once you're satisfied with your template design, you need to finalize and save it. To do this, simply click on Done. This confirms that your mail merge template is fully configured and ready to use. Remember, once you're done, you can always revisit and edit your template in the future if any changes are necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a mail merge in Zoho CRM, streamlining your communication process effectively.